Hello, and welcome back. It is time for a research video, and I think this one might shock some of you, but not others. Some of these really caught me off guard, though. I was not aware there were so many worth so much money. So, if you have empty bottles lying around the house, or you go to an estate sale or see an online auction with an empty bottle collection, you might want to pay attention because there are quite a few selling for hundreds and thousands of dollars. And that is what I am going to show you today. I'm going to show you my top 25 picks of empty bottles that sold between $200 all the way up to $5,000 for a single empty bottle. So definitely ones that you need to learn to look out for. And maybe you have some of them lying around your house. First up is an antique Karen Vaux de Noël opalescent glass bottle, perfume bottle. Empty, sold for $219. A best offer was accepted. I had never heard of this perfume. I say look for those fancy bottles. That is something that I would look up. This one you can see here was made in France, which is something else to look out for. Gorgeous bottle. I would not have been aware that it was worth so much. So definitely keep your eye out for this one. Next is another perfume bottle, and there are only a few perfume bottles in this video because of these lower price points. And when I say lower price points, I'll take $200 for an empty bottle all day long. This is a vintage Isabelle Paris Lit Noir perfume bottle, empty in the original box, and it sold for $227.41. And you can see the box is not in the best condition. The bottle has some color loss and some marks. Does have that original sticker on the bottom. And this is one, again, I would not have pegged for being worth over $200. This one I think I might have known had some value because it has a Bakelite box and case, which is really cool. This is a vintage 1930s Bourgeois Tobacco empty glass perfume bottle with the Bakelite box and case, sold for a best offer on $249.99. This one definitely would have caught my eye. Absolutely beautiful. Look at this case. So cool. It has the name there on the outside. And again, it is Bakelite, which has value as well. And a great sale best offer on $249. This one really caught me off guard. This is a vintage Universal Monsters Mummy Colgate Soaky empty bottle from the 1960s. A Colgate bottle, $299, my friends. Pay attention to empty bottles. This one's a really cool one and definitely would be good for some Halloween decor. But again, these are really catching me off guard, and I am learning a lot, and I hope you are as well. Now we are getting into some liquor bottles, and that is what the majority is going to be. So I wanted to show you all of the different kinds so you can be on the lookout. And the majority of this liquor is very expensive liquor, but the people that are buying it might not necessarily give value to those empty bottles. So hopefully you're able to find some of these. This is a Gold Crystal Head Vodka Skull empty bottle. It was 1.75 liters and it sold for $325. I do not know what the cost of this vodka was originally, but an amazing sale on an empty bottle. This one definitely would have caught my eye. This is a vintage Remy Martin Centaur Limoges cognac bottle. It does say empty bottle, ceramic and blue, sold for $336.40. Empty bottle in the box. This is a beautiful bottle. So this is one that definitely would have caught my eye. An amazing sale at $336. This one is one I feel like the metal detectors and hunters would find. This is an 1895 to 1905 Jack Daniel's empty whiskey collector's bottle without the stopper, and it sold for a best offer on $400. So really neat bottle here. and you can see the old time distillery. So there are some Jack Daniel bottles that can be valuable. So definitely look them up if you find some. Another perfume bottle. This one is Atuana Guerlain 1952 empty perfume bottle, 7 inches. It does say it has the red box Fleur de Feu, sold for $450. Amazing sale. And people keep these empty bottles, obviously. And I think you're more likely to find these at an estate sale or an online estate auction. So keep your eye out for these, but they might also be at thrift and garage sales. You really never know. And this was an amazing sale at $450. This one is the first one you're going to see from Dia de los Muertos. So watch for those bottles. This is a Tequila Mandala limited edition hand painted bottle. It was an auction. It was the same bidder for the 2 bids. It was started at $475, and that's what it sold for. So this is really cool with the skulls. You can see the mandala on the bottom, and really, really neat looking bottle, and a great sale at $475. Another auction, but this one was started at a penny, and it was ran for 10 days. There were 7 different bidders, and it went from 1 cent all the way up to $535. This is an empty 1905 Tom Orecchio, Rockville, Colorado, 2-gallon antique stoneware, whiskey jug or crock, $500. A really, really cool piece. And there are quite a few whiskey jugs and crocks that are valuable, so definitely look those up. This one is 12 inches tall by 9 inches wide, so not overly large, and an amazing sale at $535. Here is a 10-year-old Rip Van Winkle, very special stock bourbon. It is empty. It does say it's unrinsed. It sold for a best offer on $600. And here you can see it has its red velvet bag, and it does have the 10-year label. Very special stock, aged 10 years. Not an overly impressive bottle, and I would not have pegged it for selling for hundreds of dollars. I think this is the only pharmacy bottle that I put in, but there were actually a lot of prescription bottles empty from famous people that I was really surprised to see. So keep your eye out for those. I didn't think we would be likely to find them, so I didn't put them in. But this one is a pharmacy dispensing bottle. It is Stan Labs Seco Barbital Sodium. It does say empty bottle, but I do see pills in the bottom there, which is probably not legal to do. So be careful with that. This one sold for $599. How crazy is that? Here you can see it's 1.5 gram. There is the top, and an amazing sale. So watch for old pill bottles as well. Most of the giant store display perfume bottles sell for good money, so I want to lead off with that. This is a Guerlain Shalimar Factice giant 17.75-inch store display empty bottle, sold for $700. You can see it there next to the Coke can, and there is the topper. Beautiful glass bottle, and I have seen quite a few giant display bottles sell for good money over the years. I have seen some at antique fairs, but they all are priced higher than would make sense to buy for resale. But you might come across one. You really never know. Definitely keep your eye out. Next up, they have already sold one at $816.71. They have one left. It looks like they have an active offer on it. This is a Johnny Walker Mortlock 12-year, 750 ml Scotch whiskey empty bottle collectible. $800. They only have one picture of this, and it sold for over $800. Another auction. This one is a Dalmore 40-year single malt Scotch whiskey 2024 edition. So this one was just out. It is empty, a 750 ml bottle. It was started at $250. It was a 10-day auction. It went to $860 for an empty bottle. Now, here you can see gorgeous case on this and beautiful mirrored display and absolutely insane. If you can afford $13,000 for a bottle of whiskey, you're doing pretty well for yourself. So most of these, if not all, are going to be very expensive liquors. But again, you never know where you might find them. And this was a gorgeous, gorgeous case. Whiskey a little more expensive than my budget, unfortunately. Really, really neat case and bottle and an excellent sale at $860. Next is a 750 ml empty Ciroc bottle. And this one sold for $945. This is another one. Again, there was only one picture and it sold for $945. It looks like the seller hadn't sold other things either. So if I were a buyer in this situation, I would be very hesitant. Another empty liquor bottle. This one is Whistle Pig Boss Hog Spice Dancer. Empty bottle, sold for a best offer on $1,000. I have never heard of Whistle Pig. This is another whiskey bottle. I am a whiskey drinker. I don't think I can afford any of these whiskeys. They're showing it. They had it full. It is now empty and sold for a best offer on $1,000. This is an absolutely gorgeous bottle. This is the prettiest whiskey bottle I've seen. This one is a Suntory Whiskey Hibiki 17-year design empty bottle, $800. Absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous bottle and an excellent sale at $800. These I know to watch out for because I have sold empty Chanel No. 5 bottles. This one is a No. 5 Noir Glass Factice display bottle. So this is a big display bottle. It was started only at around $10 and had 32 bids and sold for over $1,000. So just a regular Chanel No. 5 will sell as well. So here you can see this one is a big display one. And it does say not for sale. It's a dummy bottle and still sold for over $1,000. How about a Jack Daniel's Tennessee whiskey bottle for $1,500? This is a Jack Daniel's Gold Centennial bottle, vintage. This is a neat bottle, gorgeous swirls and insane. I would have paid attention to this, but I would not have had any idea that it was worth so much. Yet another auction, and it seems to be frequent that these rare bottles are being auctioned. This one was started at only $25 on a 7-day auction, and it went for $2,550. This is a 26-ounce clear Japan Coca-Cola bottle from the 1970s, 1980s. $2,500 for a single bottle. You can see how big it is here next to a regular Coke bottle, and really, really neat from Japan. So keep your eye out for those that are different from the norm, because those are the ones that are going to be rare and are going to be worth more money. If I was a wine drinker, I think I would keep my empty bottles, because look at this. 12 empty wine bottles, assorted Grand Echezot with the corks, sold for a best offer on $3,000. Just one picture. So if you're a wine drinker, you drink expensive wine, keep your empty bottles. That is the lesson learned from this lot. Our number one selling is this Clase Azul Dia de Muertos limited edition 2018 empty bottle. So not that old. And this one sold for $5,000. Again, pay attention to Day of the Dead stuff, especially empty liquor bottles, apparently. Here you can see the tequila Clase Azul. Really, really neat bottle. And I don't know what that sticker is. I'm not sure. But this was an amazing sale. This bottle sold for $5,000. All right, that was everything. I hope you enjoyed. You might not find any of these $1,000 bottles, but finding ones worth $50, $100 is definitely not out of the realm of possibility. So pay attention to empty bottles if you see them and come across them. Look them up. I have sold a lot of empty bottles, none as high as these, but several for close to that $100 point. So they definitely are out there. I hope you learned a lot in this video, at least something new to keep an eye out for. I hope you've had a wonderful, wonderful weekend, and I will see you on the next one.